I was reading this insane financial report that say AI is about to automate a huge chunk of all office jobs. For the business process outsourcing, also known as BPO industry, some people are saying almost every routine job is going to disappear, wiping out what used to be a safe career. But what if the end of this job is secretly the beginning of a brand new super skilled career that nobody is talking about? What if a giant apocalypse isn't just about what's being lost, but about what's really being built? The truth is way crazier than you think. Well, welcome back to Tech News, your weekly tech news podcast where we explore breakthrough, policy twist, and global innovation shaping how we connect. I'm your host, Karthik, and today we're talking about AI taking over BPO. For decades, one industry created millions of jobs across the entire planet. It's called BPO. And the idea was simple: hire people in cheaper countries to do customer support and data entry. It gave millions of people a stable job. Companies saved a tons of money and people got great careers. Everybody won. But that entire era is about to end. A new force is here and it's about to destroy everything. That force is artificial intelligence. To understand how big this is, you need to see what AI can do right now. The BPO industry was literally built on people answering phones and typing in data. The whole game was to find the cheapest place on earth to get people to do their work. AI doesn't care about cheap labor, it only cares about computer power. And it's getting smarter every single day. And I'm not talking about some dumb chatbots. Two monster forms of AI are attacking the industry. The first one is generative AI, the same tech inside ChatGPT. This thing can write perfect customer email, create giant reports from scratch, and even write a script for human agents in real time. It's creative partner that's never getting tired. But the bigger monster is agentic AI. Think about these robot employees that can do entirely job by themselves. Agentic AI can see customer complaint, search database, find the problem, issue a refund, and send the confirmation email, all without a single human clicking anything. It's a workflow destroying machine and efficient. Companies are already seeing 40% efficiency boost and cutting their cost by 30% just by using AI. You can see the damage in customer support. Simple question like, "Where's my package?" are now handled almost 100% by AI. These bots handle 80% of all basic questions 24/7. They don't take breaks and they never complain. That one thing puts a giant part of BPO workforce at risk. Like today, it's why experts are predicting almost every customer interaction will be done by AI 2026. But it goes so much deeper. Back office jobs. You're next. Think about human resources. And AI can scan thousands of resumes in minutes, which would take teams of people days to do. It can manage all employees, file and benefit, completely automating boring admin work. In finance, robots have been doing invoices for years, but now you add AI and it can spot fraud and terrifying accuracies, analyzing spending to find savings, and close the company books with almost no help. AI can literally slash the numbers of errors in these jobs. The numbers are insane. Some reports say AI could get rid of over 85 million jobs by 2030. And even though new jobs will be created, the main jobs that built the entire BPO industries are about to face a tidal wave. For the millions of people who built their lives on this, the fear is 100% real. The ground is literally shaking under their feet. Okay, so the story about the mass job destruction is pretty convincing and it's not wrong, but it's only half the story. If you want to see what's really going on, you have to look at the past chaos and realize this isn't an extinction, it's an evolution. And we've seen this before. Remember, when the first personal computer came out, spreadsheets completely automated the jobs of bookkeepers who spent all day just adding up numbers. Everyone was terrified that all the accountants would be fired. But what really happened was the spreadsheet didn't fire the accountants. It gave them massive upgrade. It freed them from boring math and turned them into a financial strategist. The job got harder, more valuable, and way more important. We are seeing the exact same thing that's happening right now in BPO. Companies aren't just firing everyone and plugging in AI. They're making a secret pivot. Old way to win was labor arbitrage, just cheaper than other guy. The new way to win is capability arbitrage, be smarter than the other guy. And AI is what makes you smarter. BPO companies are spending billions of AI, not just to save money, but to move to big leagues. They're going from simple task doers to being a critical partner. Instead of just processing an invoice, they're now predicting company cash flow. Instead of just answering a phone call, they're analyzing millions of calls to find products problems before they get huge. This is creating a new hybrid model where humans and AI work together. And it's incredible. The AI does all this fast, boring, repetitive stuff, but the humans are expert in empathy, critical thinking, and solving insane problems. The smartest company are building something called human in the loop system. Here's how it works. AI handles the first contact. It answers the easy question, enters the data, and flags anything that looked weird. But when a customer is really angry or when a problem needs a detective to solve it, instantly gets sent to a human expert. People still want to talk about a person on a hard stuff. So the human agents is no longer reading script. They're the master problem solver and the last line of defense on their brand. With this, you get a machine, speed, and human brain. Companies that do this don't just save money. They see their customer satisfaction and productivity explode. The industry is evolving from business process outsourcing to intelligent process outsourcing. The goal isn't just to do a job cheaper anymore. It's completely redesign the job with AI to make faster and smarter. The BPO industry isn't dying. It's getting massive, insane upgrade. This giant change, even though it's scary, is creating a new type of job that is way more skilled and pays way more. The BPO worker of the future won't be replaced by AI. They will be the ones who manage AI. The industry is done hiring people for simple tasks. They're now hiring specialists. And these new jobs need a mix of tech skills and human skills. So, what are these insane new jobs? First, you have an AI trainer and supervisor. You can just turn on a customer service AI and expect it to be perfect. You have to train it. So, people are getting hired to review what the AI says, correct the mistakes, and literally teach it how to be more human. You're basically the coach for the team of the robot workers. Next are the data analysts and strategists. All of these AIs are creating mountain of data. We need people who can look at the data and find secrets. These people might spot a tiny recurring complaint that points to a huge product flaw. They turn useless data into pure gold. Then there are automation and workflow designers. These people are the architect of the future. They design the entire system, figuring out what tasks robots should do, what tasks humans should do, and how to make them more working together without exploding. We're also seeing the rise of AI compliance manager. As an AI starts making more decisions, we need people to make sure that AI is being fair and not breaking the law, especially in stuff like banking and healthcare. And finally, you have a complex problem solver and an empathy specialist. Once AI handles these easy stuff, the only work left for human is super complex, emotionally charged problems. The future BPO agent is an expert at calming people down and creatively solving problems that would break the machine. Their value isn't being fast, it's being a human. I want you to listen to me. AI will not replace you, but a person who knows how to use AI will replace you. This fear is real, but the only way to win is to adapt and learn new things. This means you need to learn the data literacy, understanding what data means. You need AI proficiency, learning how to use these new tools. And most important of all, you need a double down on your human skills, critical thinking, creativity, and communication. A robot can give you answers, but only a human knows the right questions to ask. This is not going to be easy, but it's huge opportunity. The BPO industry is stopping the race to be the cheapest and starting a race to be the most valuable. The job of the future will be more fun, more strategic, and you'll make more money. Here's my final take. The story of AI taking over BPO isn't just about robots stealing your jobs. It's way crazier story of destruction, transformation, and evolution. Yes, the simple, boring task that gave millions of people a job that are disappearing part is real and it's scary. But something brand new is being built in its place. A smarter industry that values human creativity and judgment more than ever before. The future of BPO is not a world with no people. It's a world where people are supercharged by AI, freed from boring to focus on big problem that only we can solve. The challenges for every single person in this industry is to embrace, start learning, and get the skills you need for the new world. It's going to be a wild ride, but the future is so much more valuable. If you want to learn more about how to survive and win this age of AI, make sure you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and Spotify Tech News. Follow me on Facebook page Tech News for more secrets on the tech that's changing the world.